Okay, this came in the mail today. It was $50. Was this thing right here. Yeah, so you can see there's a little bracket here. Today, lots of today's. Morning everybody, Chris at Island Tech here. It is 7:21 in the morning and we have there's a bringing you guys obviously I need some coffee. Early morning family photo shoot, should be fun. Not your white sandy beaches that you're typically looking at. Alright, here is our turn off right now. This beach is called Browns. It's kind of tucked away, it's pretty cool. Just pull in here like this. Oh, I'm on the other side.
Where's the other side? I don't know where the other side is.
Well, obviously I went to the wrong streets. Our nets. Phone would be nice. Okay, camera gear. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Early enough, I can go fly after this. No, I gotta go home, I gotta clean house. Yeah, there's more. Right there, at the bottom. At the base.
At night was born to find mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Be kind to those around you, don't be Perseus. My name is Perseus. My name is Perseus.
Yes. Something great came in the mail today. I ordered a 3D printed part and it was $20. What I bought was this thing right here. This is the hood that usually goes over the Mavic, as you can see right here. I lost the gimbal clip and as you can see it's kind of moving around a lot. Nobody sells these stupid little clips. Seriously, not even DJI. Came across this company called some somebody in Toronto, I guess, that was printing out, was doing 3D printed stuff. And because the gimbal is so sensitive, I really wanted something there. Basically a little bracket here where the camera would sit. When you have the real cover on without the gimbal clip, you can kind of hear the thing shuffling in place here. With a new cover, there's two clips in here. You can see it. You have to cup the gimbal in place, and then the two hooks go in front here, and then you kind of have to just force it into, not force, but push it into place. But with that being said, I don't hear anything moving. Oh, that's the propellers that's moving. The fitment isn't that great. You can see there's gaps all around, but it does do a job. It's going to protect the gimbal for sure, and as well as hold it in place. You know, hopefully the brackets don't break. I don't think it's shifting in place. Again, I wanted to show you guys this kind of 2-in-1 cover. Thanks for tuning in. You know, hopefully you found this useful. Is there any clips that you guys found that worked for you? And I have a lot more stuff for the Mavic as far as accessories coming in with drones and technology in general. Click on the button to subscribe if you like what you saw. Leave a comment below, and thanks for tuning in. Mahalo plenty.